AI is insane for ads. Just today, I generated over 100 winning e-commerce ads in under 30 minutes using AI. And I'm not talking about variations. These are 100 completely new ads that convert. And I know that because I've been secretly using this exact strategy for weeks now. And I want to show you some results just to prove this here. As you can see, these ads make Meta's Andromeda update very happy. And the reason for that is that most people don't get that the algorithm doesn't work like it used to do before. Andromeda's new update rewards different concepts, angles, etc. And of course, doing that manually requires a full creative team working for you. If you've got tens of thousands to invest in that, I'd recommend that. But if it's not the case, if you can't or don't want to spend 50 to 60K a month on a creative team, I want to show you how to generate hundreds of winning ads in minutes. This is a step-by-step tutorial, so there's no way you can't generate so many ads after watching this video. And this is for both beginners and more advanced users. I myself generated $3 million in 2 weeks from this, but if I had to start over, I would 100% follow this same method. It's the one that gets you results. The only thing you'll need is a laptop, internet connection, and the ability to focus for the next few minutes on this exclusively. So if your phone is nearby and will distract you, if you need to take notes, get ready. By the end of this video, you'll have a system that generates hundreds of winning ads in minutes. Let's get started. All right, let's say that Xer is your brand here and you want to create more ads. You can do this from your own ads or from competitors' ads. Let's say Ridge would be one of your bigger competitors. You would just find them in the Meta Ads library. You can literally search like any brand here and you have like your own or a competitor or some random person's ad, and you would filter or sort by impressions. So you know that these bring in the traffic and have been running for a while, so you know they're actually working. And let's say I want to do an ad out of this ad. I think that looks very nice. So I would just copy ad link. That's it. Because since this ad is already working, we can just copy the creative format, the angle, and iterate it to our own brand. So let's hop into Grow. This would be your product overview. And here we have the Xer card holder product. We just hop into that and press create ads. From here, I would do create an ad from an ad. And you can connect your Meta Ad account. Let's not do that right now. Let's just do from Meta Ads library. And I will just paste this link I just copied. And what's going on right now is that it's actually searching for the ad. It found the ad, as you can see, is the exact same ad. And I was actually analyzing it. It's not just, oh, things on the screen, let's do the same, but for your product, let's switch out the logo and steal the ad. No, it's actually understanding. It started to understanding, develop a brain around why this ad would work so well for this product. So it breaks down the site, breaks down, like it scans the web. What are people saying about this type of product? What other things would work? It's actually scanning it, and there we go. Insights are ready. Let's go to the next step. Here we can either choose to do variations or new ads. And since we want to do new, we want different, we want to please Mr. Suck, I would pick new ads in this case. But if you would pick this from one of your own ads and you just want to iterate with intention, like, oh, what happens if we switch this out instead, then I would do variations. But for the sake of this video, let's do new ads. Here we go. So this is just a preview of what that would look like, selling to on the same pain points and the same desires. English, 9 variations. Let's do this in portrait mode. I don't need any custom instructions. Press generate and we are done. Let's wait for these. Here we go. This is like then versus now. Again, then versus now. Since that was the concept of the ad, it was like, this is old thing. This is the new modern thing. So new formats, new concepts, same angle in different ways. And this is what Meta Andromeda loves. And you could either, if image ads work for you, you could scale with these, but usually I just test the angles, I test the concepts with these type of ads. And then if they work, I would then go ahead and make a video ad out of that. And within a month, I think at this point, you'll be able to make video ads directly in Grow as well. So I can just pick the ones I like. Let's say these one are nice. I can generate copy if I want to. If you don't want to, that's fine. This is the most important part because yeah, that was 9 ads. Philip, you said 100. Let's go to your creatives here. And these are your generated creatives. This was one generated just now off of that ad. You see these buttons here. Try new angles, try new concepts, try new audiences. Let's do new concepts. You get 9 more ads. Concepts, educational ads. I think all of these will be education ads. Let's do more concepts. Before afters. Maybe let's do new angles for the educational ads that's generating right now. Here we go. Done. It's done. 9 ads. Done. Just like that. I didn't give it anything. It bases these ads off of your site, off of your competitor sites, off of the actual ad. And the crazy thing, let's just, for the sake of it, go to creatives. These are the ones that we just created with one click. We can do new audiences off of that, like everything's generated at the same time. Like that was what, 10 seconds? I got like 40 new ads. That's actually crazy. And then from this one, okay, I want to do new angles off of this concept now. It will start generating that. This is infinite, like I'm not paying. Everything I'm doing right now, by the way, it's on the free plan. Like you guys can do this right now for free and I'm still not paying for anything. I would pay for it. Because you get better insights. And another thing that's good when you do pay for it is that you can actually, as you see, external brain is all of the external research, forums, Trustpilot, competitors ads. Internal brain is your ad account. When you actually connect your ad accounts, you can not only see it in the performance tab, you can select your ad account and see which ads are performing, but you can create variations and different concepts, different angles directly inside of here. And they are not guesses. Like when you do this, it will look at everything in your ad account and say, oh, let's do this before after. But it already knows that before afters usually don't work with this type of audience. You need to change the messaging. So it won't create these for you. It'll switch the messaging and then do us versus them instead. Like this is insane. And then of course I could spam these buttons and then there we go. 100 ads in like 5 minutes. I over-delivered, I under-promised. And also when you've connected your ad account, it gives you live data. It's like having a creative strategist around the clock working on your brand. And that is it. You just watched how to turn one winning ad into an entire library of winners in minutes. This is what works now. And these are the results to prove it, as you saw before. Most brands are still stuck in 2023, just working on little hook variants and wondering why their ads stop working after 3 days. They're fighting the algorithm instead of working with it. Meta's Andromeda wants diversity and new angles. Manually creating that kind of volume while maintaining quality is impossible for most teams. You would just burn out before you even got close. You just learn solves that problem completely. You're taking proven winners, understanding what makes them work, and creating new versions that can perform just as good, if not better. And that's how you feed the algorithm what it wants without destroying your team or your budget in the process. Brands that are going to dominate in this new era aren't the ones with the biggest budgets or the flashiest creative teams. They're the ones who figure out how to create volume without burning through money. If you want to try Grow for yourself, there's a link in the description where you can try it for free. And I will see you on the next one. Take care. Peace.